What you doing, bud?
Taking the heat vent out. No, I'm actually cleaning it out.
How come?
Because it's so dirty and we don't want any spiders to get in our heat vent.
Oh, so you clean it out so no spiders will get in?
That's a bagel. Who dropped a bagel down there? You.
So how do you know what size your furnace needs?
Well, first you would have opened it up the furnace and would have seen the size of the filter.
Oh.
And then you just buy a replacement.
I don't even know where the furnace filter is.
Well, every furnace is different.
Okay.
Stay in.
All right, come on, bro. Dad's teaching us.
Lift it up. Pop it out. Make sure not to pop the...
I guess the first thing what you really should do is turn off the power.
Okay, power off. Step
Power's
number one,
off, so you
power
don't-
off.
So you don't electrocute yourself.
Okay, Eli, where's the power button? Okay,
Yep. Then you take the cover off. Then you
Okay.
take this cover off.
so the top cover first, then the bottom. And are all furnaces like the same this way?
No, some
Typically-
furnace filters are on the outside.
On the
so They
outside?
make really easy. Ours
Okay.
is on the inside.
All right. Do you see it in there, Eli?
Do you see our filter?
Show Eli what the filter is, first of all.
This is the filter.
Demigorgons. That is what a furnace filter looks
So
like,
look.
bro.
There's one way to you have to be careful. See this the arrow? That means the air has to come this way and come out this way. So if you put it in this way, it's backwards. You got to put it in this way.
So where do we put it in there?
Okay, have Eli help you pull it out.
I'm scared. Whoa.
Oh, demigorgons. Don't
So
worry.
now you can see
Oh,
how
look how
it is.
dirty that is, buddy.
Oh my gosh.
Now I'm putting this back in.
And it goes
Once
which way?
again, I'm looking at the flow,
This is creepy.
and it goes right back in.
Creepy.
How do you know how far to put it back?
Well, if I push it back too far, it
You
leaves
can
the
see
gap.
the gap. Okay. So you're essentially just covering the gap right there.
Yeah, and because it doesn't fit tight, I got a shim in there
Gotcha.
to lock that back down so it keeps it so it doesn't pull it out.
Demogorgons.
Stranger Things.
Then
Okay.
we'll put this back on.
Then you put the top back on and then we're done.
No, I'm not done that.
Oh, you gotta turn the power back on. Turn the power back
Then you
on.
turn the power back on,
Then is it done?
and then it's all done.
Oh, you fixed it.